Ever wonder how you could streamline your writing process so you can get better results in just a fraction of the time? Stick around because today we're exploring a tool that could change your writing process forever. So this is GravityWrite, and these guys use AI to specialize automating tasks like writing blogs, social media posts, and even YouTube scripts at that. I mean, this is a tool that I consider to be just like other AI tools, but on steroids, because it really does go down into the nitty-gritty and get exactly what you want based on what you click here. So if we wanted to write our own blog here, we could click this button here, and then what we can do is actually select Write New Blog, type in the title, or even just get suggested topics here, and then, yes, it's going to write that entire blog for us. Now, this is great for being efficient with your workflows, any type of writing you're doing, particularly if you're a content creator. This is going to help you automate repetitive tasks and get better efficiency in your work. And while you are getting this thing to write for you, you can even change the tone at which it's writing. So if you want it a little bit more formal, you can get it to do that. Or if you want it to be a little bit more friendly and casual, you can even select that, and it's actually going to write it in more of a casual format for you. So that'll be useful for things like YouTube scripts, where it's going to be a creator actually reading the text rather than, say, a blog that might be a little bit more formal, or a social media post or an email that might be somewhere in the middle. Now, this is going to save you time on a multiple of different parallels. For example, if we wanted a nice clickbait title, what we can do here is put in our SEO keywords and then type in the amount of titles we need, and then it's going to come up with a bunch of clickbait titles that we can use to generate clicks onto our content. Want to dominate your niche and flood your inbox with leads? Here's YTRanker to help you build the right strategy and make it happen. First, let's open up an incognito window to keep everything fresh. This will ensure there's no history or cookies and will ensure unbiased results. Next, we're going to open up YouTube like you can see here. We're going to click on these three dots and we're going to see that, yes, the language is English and the location is set to the United States. Now I'm going to search Saxo Broker as our keywords, and we're just going to press enter and see what comes up. As you can see, the first result here is my video, in fact, about Saxo Broker. And because of this strategy, we're ranked directly at the top of YouTube. Now we can try another one, best email hosting for my domain. We can press enter, and guess what? The first video that comes up is in fact me. So this just goes to show the strategy works, and you can actually go and test this yourself. So enough waiting. If you're serious about leads and niche power, head to ytranker.net today and make it happen. Let's get back to the video. Now, this is going to save time on structuring and editing content as well, but it's also going to speed up your process when you are creating content, because normally you're going to have to go and find keywords. But if we go back here and we scroll down, we can actually see that it's actually good for SEO tools as well here. So we can actually find the SEO keywords directly in here, and it's going to do that for us and even give us meta title and descriptions as well. But when it comes to the writing side, this is really going to be speeding up your writing process without sacrificing the quality of your writing as well. So your whole process of completing content and posting it is going to be a lot faster. And I would say, just from personal experience, guys, this has sped up a lot of my work, probably about 10x here when it comes to finding keywords, SEO, titles, and social media posts to accompany the sharing of those videos. So this, for a creator or any kind of content creator, is a fantastic tool, and it's what I'd highly recommend. This video is sponsored by HighLevel. HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform offering marketing tools like email, SMS, funnels, and automation to help 200,000 plus businesses with their growth. Their affiliate program actually pays 40% in commission on anyone you convert as well. So if you do have a network, I would highly recommend getting them over to this fantastic product so you can actually earn from them, making their business more efficient. HighLevel is perfect for small businesses and big businesses alike because you can create full website funnels and landing pages, and you can even have surveys and forms, and even schedule online meetings directly in the platform. And that's not all of it. You can also nurture your leads directly on there, and you can get automated booking for different things inside your business directly on here as well. So this is a fantastic all-in-one solution for your business when it comes to converting leads, managing customers, and even managing your internal staff. Let's get back to the video. So let's say we want to create a blog here. What we can do is select Write New Blog and then type in our blog title. So let's type in 5 ways AI can make you rich. And then what we can do here is get an outline generated by AI. We can also select the language here. They have a bunch of different languages to choose from, but we'll stick with English for now. We can also get outlines from real-time info, competitor sites, or even from a direct URL. Or if you've written it yourself, you can actually input that manually. But let's create the outline using AI. So here we can see it's written our entire blog outline. So we've got AI-powered investment strategies, creating passive income with AI tools, leveraging AI for career advancement, starting AI-based businesses, and AI-enhanced personal finance management. So I do like all 5 of these points. So what we're going to do here is go to the right-hand side. We can see SEO keywords. You can actually generate this with AI. So let's just click that button, and then it's going to come up with all of the SEO keywords for us. We can also select the tone of this article as well. So we can do auto, personal, talk to the reader, describe others, collective voice, or professional voice as well here. Let's go with talk to the reader, and then we're going to scroll down, and then press continue. And now you can see we've got the introduction and each section of this blog post. We can just generate these as we want. So it's going to generate this one first, and that looks pretty good. Now we're going to do this with every section until we have a full blog post. And guys, this is literally taking a few minutes. Super easy to use this platform. Another cool feature here, guys, is we can actually generate an image to accompany each section as well, which will be great for the retention of your blog post. But as you can see, this section of the post has been completed, and we can just go ahead and do that for all of these until we have a fully functioning blog post. And then what we're going to do is actually, if I move my camera up, just export the blog here, and then we'll have it fully ready to work, and we can go ahead and post that on our blog site. Now, to accompany that, we could generate a bunch of images, social media posts, and even create shorts and reels directly on the site with this as well. So as we've seen with the templates, this is super easy and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or an expert in content creation, this is a fantastic platform to be using. As you've seen here, it's got a super quick learning curve with a minimal setup, and it's designed for an efficient workflow where you can basically just select what you want and then get writing straight away. Now, these guys are always doing deals, so make sure to check that out when you are on the site. Definitely use the link in the description to get the latest ones. But we've only really just scratched the surface here with this, but that will be it for the video. We can see we do have the blog writer, social media, text humanizer. So if your text looks a little bit too AI, you can actually put it in here and it's going to humanize that text for us so it reads like it was written by a human. We've also got AI chat here, which would be similar to ChatGPT, an AI image generator, and AI tools as well here. So that is GravityWrite. Definitely check it out in the description, guys, because when it comes to the workflow of creating your content, no matter what you're doing, this is definitely the top dog when it comes to AI platforms. So that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.